Given ki mark the correct statement for the particle going on a straight line. So answer is if the velocity and acceleration have opposite sign, the object is slowing down. Yes, this is correct. Velocity and acceleration have opposite sign, object is slowing down. Velocity, suppose body moves in this axis, velocity and acceleration have opposite sign. Velocity is positive, acceleration is negative, then object is slowing down. Yes, object is slowing down. Object is slowing down. Body moves in straight line. Already given, mark the correct statement for the particle going on a straight line. So body moves along a straight line path. So when body moves along a straight line path, this is the condition when velocity and acceleration, if the velocity and acceleration opposite sign, object is slowing down. Yes, velocity acceleration opposite sign, then object is slowing down. Second bit, if the position and velocity have opposite sign, the particle is moving towards the origin. If the position and velocity have opposite sign, position is x and velocity. Position and velocity opposite sign, body is moving in this direction, velocity is negative sign. That means velocity is decreasing, velocity is negative sign. Particle is moving towards origin, particle is moving towards the origin. Yes, particle is moving towards the origin. Body is moving in this direction but velocity is negative. That means particle is moving towards the origin. Yes, particle is moving towards origin. Particle is moving towards origin. Yes, this is also correct. A is correct, B is correct. So let's option C. Let's see the option C. So if the velocity is 0, if the velocity is 0 at an instant, the acceleration should also be 0 at that instant. If the velocity is 0 at an instant, acceleration should be 0. If velocity is 0, if suppose at the initial position velocity is 0, so acceleration is 0 at that instant. So that acceleration is change in velocity. Velocity is 0, then acceleration may or may not be 0. Acceleration may or may not be 0. Acceleration may or may not be 0. So this is not correct. So this is not correct. Option D. If the velocity is 0 for a time interval, acceleration is 0 at any instant within the time interval. If velocity is 0, if velocity is 0 for a time interval, that means suppose for this time instant velocity is 0. From this to this instant, suppose t1 to t2 instant, velocity is 0. If velocity is 0 from t1 to t2 instant, acceleration is 0 at any instant within the time interval. If velocity is 0 within the time interval t1 to t2, then acceleration is also 0. Velocity is 0, that means acceleration is change in velocity divided by time. If velocity is 0 within a time interval, then acceleration is also 0 within the time interval. Yes, this is also correct. So here option A, B, D are correct. So here option A, B, D are correct. Option A, B, D are correct.